Hello, welcome to this PIPEX tutorial. In this video I want to show you how you can use PIPEX to enter the individual observations for a CCTV inspection. We are at the survey management level. The header data has already been entered for an inspection. We have to define the editing mode beforehand. In our case, we confirm the default. In the next step we start the digital video recorder. The standardized catalog selected at project level is now available as a menu system. The individual entries can be selected by clicking on the menu items or by entering the hotkeys visible as underlined text. I select the observation ingress of soil with gravel from the menu system to show you the observation editor in more detail. The observation editor opens after the selection of the menu item. The fields of the observation editor are split up into several groups. The coding and long text of the selected observations are visible in the top line. Please note that the field contents cannot be changed here. If you have chosen the wrong observation, you can cancel the editing process by clicking cancel and then proceed to select the right one desired. The second line contains all the data that the CCTV inspection system delivers automatically. The distance, the video time and the inclination. In addition, the input field for the current water level appears also in this line. All data can be changed later. In the third line, photos can be created and managed for the current observation. By clicking in the checkbox, a photo of a current video picture can be taken. The photo number is automatically counted up and displayed in the field next to it. If a photo checkbox is clicked again, the saved photo will be deleted. Instead of a mouse click, a checkbox can also be activated or deactivated with the space bar. A total of 2 photos can be taken for each observation. In the next line, information on the location, position and extent of the observation can be made. In the position from and position to fields, the exact position and the pipe can be specified by selecting the time from a pick list or by entering it manually. The field continuous fault is used to mark the start, end and change of faults that extend over a longer distance. By activating the at joint checkbox you can assign an observation to a connection of a pipe. The measures of a fault can also be entered. The values can be determined either manually or by using the PIPEX measurement functions. Finally, a memo text can be entered as a supplementary comment for each observation. As soon as you click on Store, the data of the observation is temporarily inserted as text in the video image. Thanks for watching. Please also note the other training films. Subscribe to our channel and receive a notification when there are new tutorials.